Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to combine these three columns uh, into a single column. So first of all, this is an Excel file in which there are three columns: first name, middle name and last name. So the task is to combine these all names and to fill it in the column full name. So for this purpose, we will use a function called TEXTJOIN function. So for this, we will type text join, and we want space between the first name, middle name, and last name. So we will separate these three columns with a delimiter called space. So we will put a space into double inverted commas, and we want to ignore the blank empty cells. So we will click here true, and just we will select our range, and just press enter, and here and just simply double click here, and here our result is ready. So here we can see that Araf and Patel has been combined in the cell in the column E. So I hope you have understood the function of text join, and thank you for watching this video.